Open File Explorer and search for this PC and open this PC. Click C drive. Click Program Files. Click Google. Click Chrome. Click Application. Now click Chrome and rename it. Rename it to Chrome 1. Click Enter. Right click on Chrome 1. Click Show More option. Select and right click. Click Show More option. Now click Send to and click Desktop Shortcut. Now open it from shortcut. As you can see, Chrome 1 shortcut. Click Chrome.
Cut.
Now again open File Explorer. Click Open Chrome. Click Chrome 1. Rename it to Chrome. Now open Chrome from Windows shortcut. Click More. Click Got it. Now your problem should fix.